Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to reset a frozen or non-responsive screen on a Ford Sync 3 vehicle. Now this video will apply to pretty much any newer Ford equipped with a Ford Sync 3. So any newer Ford Edge, Ford Escape, Ford Expedition, even the Ford Taurus, I believe, Fusion, F-150 and so on. Now all you have to do, you have to press the on button and the right stick button at the same time and hold them together for maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and you will see the screen will reset and Ford Sync 3 will reload. Okay, now you can let it go, and now this will take again maybe 10-15 seconds, and hopefully this will fix it for you. If this doesn't fix it, then the next step would be maybe try removing the Ford Sync fuse and reinsert it, and hopefully that could reset it as well. That's called the hard reset, and this is the soft reset. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.